JD Cat 26 for Dude Tips and Fears and Hobbies. And this is about heat on computers. And if it's very hot out, 95-degree weather or higher, you want to make sure your ambient air temperature inside your room is, cooler, about 70, 75 degrees. So you want to turn on the AC in those hot weather conditions in the summer. You could also use a fan if you don't have air conditioning, and run the fan in the office to get the air circulating through either your desktop computer or your iMac. There's vents in every computer that takes air into the computer, that cools it down, cools the components down. You also want to pull open the case on your desktop computer and clean the dust out and blow the dust out of the computer. On the iMac, that's a little bit more difficult. You want to bring it to somewhere where you can service it and open it up and clean the dust out, because you have to pull the front screen off, and there's a lot of components that are connected with inside the iMac. In conversely, in winter weather, where you have the heat up and it's very hot in your apartment or your house or where your computer is, you want to you're not going to turn the heat down. You'll be cold, so you want to open the window in that room. So you open the window during the wintertime, you get cool air coming in. Okay, just crack it a little bit to let the cool air in and let that circulate through your computer, your laptop, your desktop, etc. And this is the video I wanted to do for today. And I hope this helps you. I didn't take anything apart. I didn't show you how to repair anything, but I explained to you what you need to do in those conditions to keep your computer healthy. Thank you. Have a nice day, and we'll see you in the next video.